Bryan Levell is quickly becoming one of the fastest men in track and field, making waves in the 100-meter and 200-meter events. After setting a personal best of 19.97 seconds to win the 2024 Olympic Trials, he's shown that he's ready to challenge the world's top sprinters.
Set. Away they go. He got a very good start. Andrew Hudson, Javari Thomas is up and about as well. Andrew Hudson, Javari Thomas. Nice transition off the curve. Andrew Hudson has some company on the inside from Javari Thomas. Hudson steps ahead of the pack now. Levell is coming forward. Sprouting wings on the outside. Very, very close. 19.94.
But it's not just about his times. His progression throughout the 2025 season has been nothing short of impressive, from silver medals to breaking barriers in the 100-meter with a stunning 9.82 seconds. With the 2025 World Championships in sight, Levell is one to watch, especially with the competition heating up. And fans are wondering, can Bryan Levell upset in Tokyo? Let's answer that question by breaking down his journey, his continuously rising rankings, and his chance to make his mark at the Tokyo World Championship. Let's get right into it. Jamaica has found its fastest and latest 200-meter runner in Bryan Levell. He previously shocked the world by winning the 2024 Olympic Trials in a personal best of 19.97 seconds, making him the first Jamaican man since Johan Blake to go sub-20 in the 200-meter. After such a great performance at the trials, fans were excited to see Levell compete at the Paris Olympics, and he didn't disappoint by making it as far as the semi-final round. At just 20 years old, this was an experience for Bryan to level up in the 2025 season. Even though things did not go according to plan at the Paris Olympics, Levell started the 2025 track and field season as a new athlete. He earned a silver medal in the mixed 4x100-meter relay at the Guangzhou World Relays, then went on to the Philadelphia Grand Slam track to run an impressive 10.02 seconds to place second in the 100-meter. Levell's impressive 10.02 second performance at the Philadelphia Grand Slam track in the 100-meter and his wind-aided 19.79 seconds in the 200-meter at the Racers Grand Prix had many fans believing he could make the Jamaican team for both events. His speed and consistency in these races fueled excitement as fans anticipated his potential to dominate both sprints. If you are enjoying this video so far, please take a moment and support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you. At the Jamaican Athletics Championship in the 100-meter, he ran 9.99 seconds in this heat and followed up by doing a personal best of 9.94 seconds in his semi-final. However, he finished 8th in the final due to discomfort. Like a true champion, Levell returned to win the 200-meter in 20.10 seconds to make his first World Championship team.
Set underway. The first time of asking Levell was away well. So too Christopher Taylor and Adrian Carr. Levell, the defending champion in the red, glides off the top bend. A lovely transition takes them into the home stretch. Christopher Taylor gives chase. So too Adrian Carr. Bryan Levell on top. Christopher Taylor coming forward. Carr is coming forward. Bryan Levell is a back-to-back national champion.
To prove to the world that he is indeed dangerous in the 100-meter, he then competed in the 100-meter at the Raiffeisen Austrian Open, an event that had 2 rounds of the 100-meter. Levell strolled to 10.11 seconds to win his heat and made the final. In the final, Bryan Levell ran an immaculate race to cross the line in a massive personal best of 9.82 seconds. But here's the twist. Even though Levell ran such an incredible time, he will not compete in the 100-meter at the Tokyo World Championship. But it's safe to say that this bodes well for his chances at a medal in the 200-meter. Jamaica has not had a men's 200-meter medal at the World Championship since Usain Bolt won gold at the 2015 Beijing World Championship, and Levell is the best that a Jamaican man has looked in years. With a personal best of 19.97 seconds and his newfound 100-meter speed, Bryan Levell is likely to go faster and potentially mount the 200-meter podium at the Tokyo World Championship. His biggest challengers this season are likely to be the Olympic medalists Botswana's Letsile Tebogo, Kenneth Bednarek, and Noah Lyles from the United States. These sprinters are all top competitors in the 200 meter, but they are also the athletes who have complained about not being at their best this season due to injury. Leading up to the Tokyo World Championship, Bryan Levell is likely to compete in more 200 meter races and lower his personal best to increase his chances of mounting the podium. Things are getting more competitive at the Tokyo World Championship, and Jamaica's Bryan Levell is one of the Caribbean's athletes to watch at this event. Bryan Levell's journey is a powerful reminder of what can be achieved with determination and talent. As he heads toward the Tokyo World Championship, his potential to make history is undeniable. What do you think? Can Bryan Levell secure a 200 meter medal at the Tokyo World Championship? And how fast do you think he'll go this season? Drop your predictions in the comments below. Also, check out our video on the top 5 performances at the Jamaica National Championship. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Bryan Levell's journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a moment of the action. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.
The defending champion. Set. Away they go. He got a very good start. Andrew Hudson. Javari Thomas is up and about as well. Andrew Hudson. Javari Thomas. Nice transition off the curve. Andrew Hudson has some company on the inside from Javari Thomas. Hudson steps ahead of the pack now. Levell is coming forward. Sprouting wings on the outside. Very, very close. 19.94 the flash time. Levell finished like a house on fire. Oh, wow. What a performance. Set underway. The first time of asking Levell was away well. So too Christopher Taylor and Adrian Carr. Levell, the defending champion in the red, glides off the top bend. A lovely transition takes them into the home stretch. Christopher Taylor gives chase. So too Adrian Carr. Bryan Levell on top. Christopher Taylor coming forward. Carr is coming forward. Bryan Levell is a back-to-back national champion. 20.08.
Bryan Levell. Few seconds for the official time. And Bob Blinken. 9.82.